We have the brand new Culinary Series Blackstone 30-inch griddle from Lowe's, featuring the Omnivore griddle plate, 2 independent heat zones, rear grease. In all, this should take about 45 minutes to put together. So this Culinary Series unit from Lowe's features a hood that is reinforced in the middle so that it doesn't collapse or get dinged up easily. It's got a nice big handle up here for that hood. Then we have our 30-inch griddle plate, which is plenty big enough for a small family, a couple, you know, anybody like an apartment. This is perfect for an apartment patio. This unit features 2 burners. I like the knobs on this unit. That's part of the beauty of the Culinary Series, is that they look really pretty. They have like this silver accents. Even the legs and the bottom shelf that you have down here are that silver color. Then you have your 4 heavy-duty casters. All 4 of them lock in place. This unit is reinforced in the legs so it doesn't become wobbly as it sits there with age on your patio. And then you have your side shelves, 2 of them. Both of them fold down neatly, just like this, for easy storage. We, of course, have our rear grease that's removable. So that Omnivore griddle plate that we were advertising, this is that Omnivore griddle plate. So you've got that undercarriage that's got this unique X design with the airflow holes throughout. This is designed, it's got the built-in wind guards. This is designed to capture the heat and let that heat flow throughout so that you get more even heating throughout the entire unit. And there you have the 30-inch Culinary Series Blackstone from Lowe's. Go get it now if you're interested in one at Lowe's. All I have left to do is to do my first cook on this. So look for that in a video coming up soon.